yeah. Okay, ready? Queen, I just need you to keep with me. Okay? Yeah, there we go.
I'm the king and y'all protect me.
You're a little too young for her, but that's okay. Listen for the break. Oh, very exhilarating. Listen, I want to thank y'all for coming out and sharing this energy with us as this part of the team blowout. Because you know we had to have some African rhythm and we had to have some excitement to help propel us through the rest of the afternoon. So I'm actually doing a performance out at the State Fair in Texas. There are some acrobats from Africa. They're from Kenya. I open up for them with the African drumming and then they do their performance. So I'm on my way back out to the fair right now. But thank